Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. Here x plus 1 is multiplied by x cube plus 1 is equal to 4 times x square, and our task is calculate all possible values of x. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Here if you will substitute x is equals to 0 in this given algebraic equation, then this x is replaced by 0 plus 1, then this term is equal to 1, and this x is replaced by 0, then 0 cube is 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1, then this left hand side is 1 times 1, and we know that 1 times 1 is 1, and in right hand side x is replaced by 0, then 0 square is 0, 0 times 4 is 0. If you substitute x is equals to 0, then left hand side it will become 1 and right hand side is 0. So x is equals to 0 is not solution of this equation. It means we can say x not equals to 0. Now look carefully. We have x plus 1 is multiplied by x cube plus 1 is equal to 4 times x square. This x is multiplied by x cube plus 1. Then x times x cube plus 1, and this one is multiplied by x cube plus 1 is equal to 4 times x square. X times x cube is x 4 plus x times 1 is x plus 1 times x cube plus 1 is x cube plus 1 is equal to 4 times x square. In left hand side x4, now we will write x cube here plus x plus 1 is equal to 4 times x square. We have x power 4 plus x power 3 plus x plus 1 is equal to 4 times x square. Now divide both sides x power 2, and right hand side is also divided by x power 2. Now in right hand side this x power 2 and this x power 2 is cancelled out, and in left hand side this expression is same as x power 4 divided by x power 2 plus x power 3 divided by x power 2 plus x divided by x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 4. X power 4 divided by x power 2, then you will get x power 2 plus x cube divided by x power 2, then you will get x plus x divided by x square, then you will get 1 over x plus here 1 over x square is equal to 4. Now x plus 1 over x plus x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 4. In left hand side we have x plus 1 over x plus x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 4. Here we will apply substitution. Substitute x plus 1 over x is equal to m. X plus 1 over x is equal to m, and if we take both sides square, then in left hand side we will apply a plus b whole square, and we know that a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. So this left hand side is x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 times x times 1 over x is equal to m square. Now x and this x is cancelled out. Then this left hand side is x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 is equal to m square. Now subtract both sides to, then value of x square plus 1 over x square is equal to m square minus 2. Now we have x plus 1 over x is equal to m, and x square plus 1 over x square is m square minus 2. So replace this x plus 1 over x by m plus, and replace this x square plus 1 over x square is m square minus 2 is equal to 4. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then in left hand side m square plus m minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. Then m square plus m minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 is equal to 0. Now here we have a quadratic equation in terms of m. This quadratic equation is factorizable. M square, we can write this m as 3 times m minus 2 times m minus 6 is equal to 0. Now look carefully, first two terms, m is common factor. So if we take common m in first two terms, then m square divided by m, then you will get m plus 3m divided by m, then you will get 3. And look carefully these two terms, here minus 2 is common factor. If we take common minus 2, then you will get minus 2 times m divided by minus 2, then here m minus 6 divided by minus 2, then you will get plus 3, and this is equal to 0. Now m plus 3 is common factor. If we take common m plus 3, then here m minus 2 is equal to 0. Suppose this term is a and this term is b, and we know that if a times b is equal to 0, this implies a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. According to this rule, we can write here m plus 3 is equal to 0 or m minus 2 is equal to 0. If m plus 3 is equal to 0, then value of m is equal to minus 3, or if m minus 2 is equals to 0, then m is equal to 2. And recall, m is equal to x plus 1 over x. So replace this m by x plus 1 over x is equal to minus 3, or this m is replaced by x plus 1 over x is equal to 2. Now multiplied both side x, then in left hand side x square plus 1 is equal to minus 3x, or here multiplied both side x, then you will get x square plus 1 is equal to 2x. In left hand side, look carefully, this equation, we have x square plus 1 is equals to minus 3x. X square plus 1 is equal to minus 3x, or here we have x square plus 1 is equals to 2x. X square plus 1 is equal to 2x. Look carefully this quadratic equation. In left hand side x square plus 1 and this minus 3x. If we take left hand side, then this is plus 3x is equal to 0. Here x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. This quadratic equation is not factorizable. Here we will apply quadratic formula. And we know that quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Then x is equal to minus value of b is coefficient of x, which is 3. So b is replaced by 3 plus minus square root of value of b is 3. So replace this b by 3, and 3 square is 9 minus 4 times value of a. We know that value of a is coefficient of x square, and coefficient of x square is 1. It means value of a is 1, and constant term is c. This is 1, and divide by 2 times value of a is 1. Then x is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 4 times 1 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5 over 2 times 1 is 2. So here we have two possible values of x. First value of x is minus 3 plus square root of 5 over 2, and second value of x is minus 3 minus square root of 5 over 2. Now solve this quadratic equation. If we take all the expressions in same side, then x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, and this quadratic equation is factorizable. Here we will apply here we will make factor by using middle term split. Then x square and minus 2x is minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. And look carefully, first two terms, here if we take common x, then you will get x minus 1. And here if we take common minus 1, then here x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now x minus 1 is common factor. Then here x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now x minus 1 times x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 times x minus 1 is equal to 0, and we know that x minus 1 times x minus 1 is x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Then value of x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. So in this question we have three solutions. First solution, x1 is equal to 1, and second solution, x2 is equal to minus 3 plus square root of 5 over 2, and third solution, x3 is equal to minus 3 minus square root of 5 over 2. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.